Nvidia, ticker NVDA, the stock edged higher in Thursday's pre-market trading as improving risk appetite lifted technology stocks, with NASDAQ futures rising 1.35% at the high and S&P futures gaining 0.83%. The chipmaker remains a focal point of the artificial intelligence investment theme, as analysts and market commentators increasingly point to sovereign AI initiatives, persistent supply constraints, and robust infrastructure spending as key drivers of its next phase of growth. CNBC's Jim Cramer on Monday said that Nvidia's growing business with sovereign nations could reduce investor concerns about its dependence on a small group of hyperscale customers. You folks agree with that? He said governments are buying Nvidia chips for domestic AI infrastructure projects and are not focused on quick returns, unlike some commercial buyers. Kramer said sovereign AI already accounts for about 14% of Nvidia's business and could become more important as projects move forward. He said demand from countries that include Singapore, India, Japan, Germany, Taiwan, Israel, Qatar, and the United Arab Emirates and Saudi Arabia can help lessen Nvidia's reliance on major cloud providers. Wedbush Securities semiconductor and hardware analyst Matt Bryson told CNBC on Wednesday that Nvidia remains undervalued because it's still the biggest beneficiary of AI demand. Quote, "At some point, we're going to wake up and it'll feel like we saw with Micron a few months back, where they gave a great quarter and it just didn't react. And then all of a sudden, wake up a few weeks later and it's up 50%, end quote. How many of you think Nvidia is going to go up 50%? He said the broader AI investment cycle remains strong and continues to support demand for companies tied to AI infrastructure. Bryson said Nvidia's products remain supply constrained, and the company has built strong supply chain positioning for 2026, 2027, and 2028. He also said server vendors such as Supermicro Computers, or ticker SMCI, are largely shipping NVIDIA-based products, which reinforce NVIDIA's central role in the AI hardware ecosystem. KeyBank Capital Markets analyst John Vinn said NVIDIA remains his favorite AI chip stock and called it, quote, hands down, end quote, the best-in-class player in the sector. He said no major merchant silicon rival is likely to gain meaningful traction against NVIDIA soon, and he likes the stock's risk-reward at current levels. AMD might like a word, but nonetheless, Wedbush here telling you that it looks great.